simmer and let it simmer. And let it simmer. Then you begin to play.
Don't brand on Belgrade.
To let them shake in the fire.
They don't know.
They
They don't know. They call it just Germany.
Yo, is there a fire on the side of my whatever? Fire extinguisher. And my phone is there. My phone.
The gas is off. Sit up.
My phone is there. Somebody get my phone.
I'm saying that was planned. Yes, that was planned. Don't leave. That was planned.
My phone.
Hey, you were not done. Hey, come on.
My phone.
Guys, that was planned. Wait, okay. Munana na kuprotect. Wameprank you. Wameona sita. Listen. The show is literally on fire. The show is literally on fire. Let's go. Come on.
Fucking hell, no.
I'm back again. I told you the show is on fire. Literally. Serious. Who bought this knockoff cookers? I am going to
Tutapika na meko tu.
This segment has out of this thing. I'll talk until you say that.
Siko sana au utakuwa sawa.
The show is on fire.
Fuck me.
Who bought this knockoff minis? Jamani zinashika moto in very weird places.
Nice.
There you go.
You have my phone? What's it? Fucking nayo.
Mambo ya life. Mambo yanarudi. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Where are you not entertained? Now that is the trending part of this. That is the Twitter on a clip. Are you not entertained? Yes. What else do you guys want to do? For you tell your brothers and sisters what they like. We are on fire. Checking photographics. The old school way. The old school way. Are you not entertained? You can get right back in the game. I couldn't now you can make a window without the fire.
My life has literally flashed before my eyes.
Wasa amesema lugha ni charisma. It's not Malay crying about
Not
Malay crying about people like access. Just America.
No, I got to worry about the phone, bro. No, honestly, I'm traumatized. Like, I don't know what I did.
Old school way. Old school way.
Bro, like, I'm literally shaking.
Are you not entertained? Why camera ni ya gani? Are you not entertained? What else do you want? Hey, Omera bro.
Hey.
Umeturudisha kwa bed sita ndani. There's a time.
Kidogo tumekuwa set maji na omena zangu. Ndio zibora nipoke na omena zangu. Si poa guys, si poa. Oh my gosh.
Omena ni bwana.
Karibu nione set my
Sema, not the three of them leaving the market. Sitafanya sio. Kama tuwaje. Hasa wachoka tunaona the fire. It's like the fire new. What he bought. That's why he bought the fire extinguisher. He was like, we just put it on my lap. What? This is too many. Tafadhali mambo yako. Wewe unasema NGC washapost. Na wewe yani spoka. Wacha wewe.
Wacha waziri wewe.
Ndio mzee. Watana na hiyo extinguisher. We start from scratch. Wasa continue. Extinguisher si sumu. Alafu haikuingia. Sasa umeendesha pigo hapo. Unaanza from scratch. Haikuingia gani? Utakufa juu ya nini? Safari, wapi foka hapa? Anyway, very heavy traffic at Global Speaker. Please ingia stream. Hakuna penye unaenda. Kwame kwa barabara kabisa. Aya, let me show you something. Come. Come, you see. So, you see. Obvious unajua sura yangu ni maleweka. Order. Kwani yangu si maleweka? Obina, tumia hii. It's the phone. Plani yangu ya nyumba. Ita scratch na hiyo kiyo. Mnasikuti chini. Chini. Sure. Anyway, nakula tu samaki. Unaona si. Unaona venye now they are golden brown. Now it's crunchy. You see? Okay. And then now they become golden brown. So the now so many of you can see so the way it's now golden brown. Yeah. That's the plan. Can I say shout out to Safari for responding quickly? Safari big up. Shout out to you guys. I'm thanking for the Paprika guy for not saying that mine was also on fire. Because home.
So, we drop all the good stuff and now we start time to. Let's go. So, Maggi cubes any day, guys. Tip. Forget all the other cubes. This one, tested, approved, and trusted. This one.
Okay, mwenye ataniendesha wa kwanza atashinda. Nakupatia kura yangu.
Atufanye nini?
Guys, tuko Kenya. So now you go to the onions. You see the red golden brown? Kamera manakwambia.
Akoka kwa yangu ana Elizabeth.
You see golden brown? And then now you bring the otungu. Now you bring otungu.
Sorry.
You see? Now you bring the otungu. And then you see the rest of the otungus have been chopped. So the refu so at least utaziona kwa omena. Si ati zinapotea zile vitu. The body is so nice. Let's get you. I can hear it very well.
Wewe ndio unaifikia hapa.
Sorry. Baya kama nenda kupika.
Kitambo.
That's interesting. Wanasema tumikazia ni mganga. Kuja alia. Ulikuwa bado distract
Once you drop in the Maggi, everything starts. This is all nice and slow.
I'm jealous of all these thousands of people. Check it, man. Check it out. Check that out. That's so satisfying. That's how you know. There's no omena that is black. There is no kitungu that is black. Everything, very nice.
Gone wrong one.
You go to sour, see gone wrong. You go sour. What's the problem? See now the worst to see when it went wrong. You go sour. Don't let it worry you.
Almost the one went down the stairs. That would be funny and see them. Almost the stairs.
Wow, gosh. Alafu tena nakuja kwa moto, unakufunika. Alafu anaenda kufunika Maria na mimi ndo kusua. Entertainment. So, So ushaka kitunguu, so kitunguu inashika ndani. The omena is already crunchy. Now you introduce a little bit of spices.